Salom o'rganuvchilar. Bugun biz ChatGPT haqida gaplashamiz. ChatGPT asosan tillarni o'rganish uchun mo'ljallangan AI vositasi. Bu video sizga ChatGPT bilan qanchalik kreativ bo'lishingiz mumkinligi haqida tasavvur beradi. Vaqti kam bo'lganlar uchun biz nima olishimiz va nima qilishimiz haqida qisqacha aytib o'tamiz. O'rganuvchilar undan nima olishlari mumkin? Birinchisi, mashq qilish uchun uzluksiz ovozli suhbatlarda ishtirok etish. Ikkinchisi, yangi so'zlar yoki iboralar uchun aniq ta'riflar va misollar olish. Uchinchisi, til darajasiga mos keladigan lug'atni o'rganish. To'rtinchisi, yangi lug'at bilan aytilgan darajaga mos hikoyalar olish. Beshinchisi, vizual o'rganishni yaxshilash uchun rasmlar taqdim etish. Oltinchisi, o'rganuvchilar ChatGPTga yuklaydigan rasmlarning batafsil tavsiflarini olish. Til o'rganuvchi eng ko'p qo'llaydigan so'rovlar bu: Salom ChatGPT, men seni bilan til mashq qilish uchun suhbatlashmoqchiman. Yoki ChatGPT men uchun IELTS yoki TOEFL imtihonchisi rolini o'ynab, savollarni birma-bir ber. Har safar savol berganingda menga javob berish uchun vaqt ber. Ikkinchisi, o'rganayotgan so'zingizni aytasiz. Shu so'zni ta'riflab, 10 ta misol keltiring deysiz. Keyingisi, darajamga mos keladigan 20 ta so'z ta'riflari, misollari va ona tilimga tarjimalari bilan ber. Yangi lug'at bilan ajratilgan daraja nomini aytasiz. Darajasidagi hikoya ber. Beshinchisi, biror narsaning rasmini ber. Oltinchisi, bu rasmning batafsil tavsifini ber. Men bu matnni videoning tavsifiga qoldiraman. Ingliz tilida ham. Bu yaqinda yozilgan kitobimizda ham bor. Telegram kanalimizda tashlangan. Endi bu narsalarni amalda ko'ramiz. Biz so'rovlarni birma-bir qo'llaymiz. Birinchi, ChatGPTni ovozli funksiyasini ishlatish uchun naushniklar ikonkasiga bosamiz va aytamiz: Hello ChatGPT, I want to have a conversation with you for language practice. Yoki ChatGPT, please role play IELTS or TOEFL examiner for me and ask questions one by one. Each time you ask a question, give me some time to answer.
Sure, Albie. Let's start with some language practice. Since you mentioned both casual conversation and exam practice, we can take it in turns. I'll begin with a simple conversational question, and then we can switch to IELTS or TOEFL style questions if you'd like. Let's start with this. How has your week been so far? What have you been focusing on recently? Feel free to take your time, and when you're ready, let me know if you'd like to switch to IELTS or TOEFL questions.
Keyingi savol. ChatGPT, now I don't need you to ask IELTS questions. Please define the word slingshot and provide 10 example sentences.
Of course, King is a wall. Here's the definition of slingshot. A slingshot is a small hand-powered projectile weapon. It typically consists of a Y-shaped frame with an elastic band attached to both ends. When you pull back the band, place an object, like a small stone, in the pouch and release it. The object is propelled forward at high speed. Now, here are 10 example sentences using the word slingshot. 1. He used a slingshot to launch the small pebble across the field. 2. The boy fashioned a slingshot from a rubber band and a stick to pass the time. Would you like to explore more words or practice further?
Now I need you to provide 20 words of intermediate or pre-intermediate level with definitions, example sentences, and translations to my language, Uzbek.
You're welcome. Here are 20 intermediate, pre-intermediate level words with their definitions, example sentences, and translations into Uzbek. 1. Accurate definition. Correct and without mistakes. Example: The weather report was very accurate today. Translation. Unique 2. Let me know if you want more words or if you'd like to practice them.
ChatGPT, generate a story of intermediate level with new vocabulary highlighted.
Of course. Here's a story using some intermediate vocabulary with the words highlighted for you. The journey to the mountains. Last summer, Anna decided to take a journey to the mountains. She had always loved nature, but it was clear that this adventure had opened the door to new opportunities and a deeper connection with nature. Highlighted vocabulary: journey, explore, prepare, accurate, familiar, approach, benefits, challenge, avoid, opportunities. Would you like to discuss any of the words in more detail? Or perhaps create your own sentences with them?
Now, generate an image of alarm clock.
Here's the image of the alarm clock you requested. Let me know if you'd like to adjust or add anything to it. You can check out the images in our conversation history.
Provide a thoroughly detailed description of this image.
The image features a classic round alarm clock with 2 metallic bells on top. The clock itself is a traditional design. The overall feel of the image is peaceful, with muted tones of beige, brown, and white dominating the color palette, contributing to the calm and serene environment of a bedroom at dawn.
Thank you. Ko'rganingizdek, biz so'rovlarni birma-bir qo'lladik. Bu darsimizning oxiri edi. Gaplashgan narsalarimizni chatni o'zida qo'ng'iroq tugagandan keyin ko'rishingiz mumkin. Bu darsimiz oxiri edi. Inshaalloh keyingi darsda ko'rishguncha sog' bo'ling. Assalomu alaykum.